Winter is finally here. The weather is getting a little bit colder outside. Do you know what my favorite thing about winter is? Hot chocolate. I love drinking hot chocolate. Today, in honor of winter, we are going to create our very own hot chocolate drawings using markers and a white sheet of paper. Okay, so today we are going to learn how to draw a cup of hot chocolate. We're going to be using a black marker and just normal Crayola markers as well. And the very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to have to move Lucy so Miss Schumacher can see her paper. There we go. Okay, so the very first thing that we are going to do is we're going to take our black marker. Lucy, scoot over, sweetie. And about right here on our paper, a few inches from the top, we are going to start with a very thin, long and narrow oval. So go ahead and watch how Miss Schumacher does this. Like that. So go ahead and draw a very thin and narrow and long oval. That will be our first step. Now our second step is we're going to go ahead and draw some wavy lines that go off of the paper. So I'm going to draw 3 wavy lines like that. Then go ahead and go about 1 inch over, and we're going to draw some more wavy lines. That is going to be Lucy. Lucy, you've got to. Lucy, I know you love hot chocolate and you love to draw, but my students cannot see my paper when you are laying on top of it. We can't learn how to draw if you're going to lay right there. Can you scoot over a little bit? There we go. Okay, after we draw the steam coming off of our very hot chocolate, we are going to put our black markers at the very edge of our oval at the very end. And I'm going to go ahead and draw a line down like this. So go ahead and draw a line. It's kind of coming in a little bit. Now we're going to take our marker and we're going to put it on the other edge of the oval. And again, we're going to make a line coming down like this. Now we are going to connect these lines. Now we're going to draw the handle for our cup, and we are going to go like this. We're just going to draw, I guess, a sideways U. And now we're going to go ahead and draw another sideways U inside of it. This little U that's turned sideways inside of our bigger U, we're going to go ahead and color this in with our black marker. Like that. Okay, at the bottom of our cup right here, we are going to go ahead and draw a small circle. Like it's sitting on a small circle or a small little plate. Now we're going to go ahead and draw another layer of this plate that our cup is sitting on. Lastly, we're going to go ahead and draw one more line like that, as if our hot chocolate was sitting on a plate. Now we're going to go ahead and take our marker and we're going to draw a straight line like this. Then we're going to skip over our cup and we're going to continue the straight line going off of our paper. This way now it looks like our hot cocoa is sitting on a table. Now I would like you to sign your first name in the bottom corner with your black marker. Lucy, are you eating? I can hear you eating. Okay, now with our black marker, we are going to decorate the inside of our coffee cup. So you can do what Miss Schumacher does, or you can do your own thing. It's up to you. So I'm going to go ahead and draw some lines. Side of there. I'm going to go ahead and put my marker right here. I'm going to draw another line right here and another line in the bottom. Inside of this small opening, I'm going to go ahead and make some designs like this. Inside of this opening right here, I'm going to go ahead and do a cloud line. We're just using different types of lines. And I want to make my hot chocolate a polka dot hot chocolate. So I'm going to go ahead and make polka dots. After I'm done with my designs inside of my coffee cup, I'm going to go ahead and draw more straight lines going across my page, but I'm going to make sure not to intersect with my plate that my coffee is sitting on. Now inside of my lines that I drew across my page, every other line I'm going to go ahead and do a cloud line. Now again, you do not have to do this, it's up to you. Okay. Now I am done with my black marker, so I'm going to go ahead and close it. Now you are going to use the color markers to color in your picture, and you can do any different lines and designs in the background that you would like. However, we will be leaving the steam and our coffee cup and our plate white. We want to leave that white. Everywhere else, we can color in with our Crayola markers. So for example, I'm going to take a green. The only part of our coffee cup that we can color in is this section right here. Other than that, we want to leave the remaining coffee cup white. color this in green. I'm gonna color in my table green. Take my pink. Now I'm going to color in the background. Okay, so you are going to be able to finish up your hot chocolate drawing however you would like, using any colors, lines, and designs of your choice. And when you're done, it's going to probably end up looking something similar to this. And that is how we are going to finish our hot chocolate drawing.